Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from GardenEquipmentReview.com. Hope you're doing well. The title on my thumbnail today is Watch This Before Buying a Robotic Mower. Now the reason for this title is traditionally Robo Mowers or robotic mowers, this is a Robo Mow, needed a perimeter wire. So you see this mower going up and down. Now the funny part is they don't go up and down, they sort of go randomly across the lawn. And you think they're going to miss bits, but by the time they're finished they have completed the whole lawn, but it doesn't do it in a uniform way. So a perimeter wire has to be put all around the outside of the garden, which is absolutely fine, but it does take time, and it's important that the installation is done correctly. So let's have a look at this video here where it shows a boundary wire installation. Now they're using a machine. I used to just tack the cable down on top of the lawn with pegs, which worked fine, and within 2 or 3 weeks the grass would have grown over the cable, so you can't see it. Of course the danger is that the cable can get damaged, or if you want to change the layout of your lawn, then you need to relay the cable. So with the technology now of having robotic mowers that don't need a cable is brilliant. So one of the problems with perimeter wire is that it needs to be installed properly and accurately. So let's go back to this video. So for example, around here it needs to be put equally around the edge, which is fine, but you can either get someone to install the wire for you, or you can do it yourself, but just allow enough time. Don't rush the job, because the better the installation, the less mowing and the less sort of after bits you'll have to do, like trimming. If you put the cable in correctly, then you can get the mower right up to the edge. But the other problems are that it does need to be installed accurately, and it can be damaged. And if you change the layout in the garden, you need to put the cable in, a new cable in, or an extension cable, which isn't a problem. They give you wire clips. But I must admit, I do like the sound of these robotic mowers. And here I'm on Cressa's site, and they're satellite guided. It says the mower that requires no antenna on your property. Now there are quite a few manufacturers, Husqvarna do them, and I'm not giving you a list because here we have all sorts of mowers on our website, and the technology is improving all the time. So many mowers that didn't offer it a year ago now have this technology, but there is they are slightly dearer, but I would say long term it's worth it. Now I know that some people love cutting their lawn at the weekend, it's like very therapeutic, but if you're one of those people who don't like cutting your lawn, then a robotic mower is definitely worth looking at. I've been in quite a few gardens where you see the robotic mower at work, and these are smaller machines, but we do have even bigger ones like this Bell Robotics Big Mow, which is quite a sizable machine, which will do parks and football pitches and what have you. But that's a different sort of level to these sort of domestic user ones. But so if you're looking for a robotic mower, definitely think about having one that doesn't need a perimeter wire. I think it's probably worth it, and I'm told that the technology is there now, so you can actually get a machine that will stripe your lawn, because rather than going in a random cutting direction, they can go up and down, which is much better. If you've got any questions on this video, please feel free to leave a comment and I will try and get back to you. Thanks very much for watching.